Giggles and Grapes.
Hi there, friends. Welcome to Giggles and Grapes. Today, we're going to play a super exciting game called Guess the Animal. Are you ready? Yay, let's get started. Look at this big shadow. Do you know what animal this is? This animal has a long trunk and big ears, and it loves eating bananas and sugarcane. It's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they live in herds with their families. Isn't that cool? Ew, this shadow looks fierce. Do you know what animal it is? It has a big, bushy mane and is called the king of the jungle. Roar, it's a lion. Lions live in groups called prides. Did you know male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day? Lazy kings, huh? Wow, this shadow is so tall. What animal do you think it is? It has a super long neck to reach leaves on tall trees. That's right, it's a giraffe. Did you know giraffes only need 30 minutes of sleep a day? That's why they're always munching on leaves. Oh, look at this gentle shadow. What animal could it be? This animal has antlers and loves to hop around in forests. It's a deer. Deer are very good jumpers and can leap up to 10 feet high. That's like jumping over a car. This shadow looks scaly and long. Do you know what it is? This animal lives in rivers and has sharp teeth. Snap, it's a crocodile. Did you know crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for more than an hour? Amazing, right? This shadow looks big, has a horn, and looks like a tank. Do you know what it is? It has thick skin that's like armor. Crash, it's a rhino. Did you know rhinos have super tough skin that works like armor? This shadow has fluffy tail feathers and says, gobble gobble. Can you guess what it is? It's a bird that loves to strut around. Gobble, it's a turkey. Did you know turkeys can fly short distances? This shadow is small, has a bushy tail, and loves nuts. Any guesses? You might see it running up trees. Chatter, it's a squirrel. Did you know squirrels bury nuts to save them for later? This shadow has pointy ears, a bushy tail, and is a clever animal. Can you guess what it is? It's known for being sly. Whoosh, it's a fox. Did you know foxes can make 40 different sounds? This shadow has long legs, hops, and has a pouch. What could it be? It's from Australia. Bowing, it's a kangaroo. Did you know baby kangaroos are called joeys? This shadow has wavy arms and lives underwater. Any idea what it could be? It has 8 arms. Splash, it's an octopus. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? This shadow has a hard shell and moves slow and steady. Can you guess? It can live for a very long time. Plod, it's a turtle. Did you know turtles can live for over 100 years? This shadow loves bananas and swings in trees. Any guesses? It's a great climber. Ooh, it's a monkey. Did you know monkeys are amazing climbers? This shadow has a transparent body and floats in water. What do you think it is? It doesn't have a brain. Float, it's a jellyfish. Did you know jellyfish don't have a brain? This shadow jumps in the sea and is very smart. Can you guess? It loves to play in the waves. Splash, it's a dolphin. Did you know dolphins love to play in talking clicks? This video is in collaboration with Biscotti chocolate chip cookies. How many were you able to guess? Let us know.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.